My name is Christian Laufermann from Kowa Deutschland GmbH. I'm the managing director and I'm very proud to present new products from Kowa. Kowa is known as an optics manufacturer, and I think everybody has been already in touch with some of our products. And the latest development in the lens area are the very ruggedized and stable lens we have developed. Kowa has a patented design on these special ruggedized lens series with a lock ring to focus, to fix the focus. All lens elements are glued, and this special design is patented in Europe and Japan and also in the US. And Kowa is spreading out into the field of optoelectronic special solutions with a focus on special ruggedization and harsh environment applications. I would like to introduce you one of the solutions we have here at the show. The solution we present here is an optoelectronic assembly with a rotary wiper splashing away the water from the window so that you have always a crystal clear view. We have solutions where you can put lens on the camera to create a waterproof housing, but you will be always having issues with droplets on the glass of the lens. With the rotary wiper solution, you will have a crystal clear view, which you can also see on the pictures we're demonstrating here.